gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is the thickness of one deck of playing cards. Stack 10 decks together and you get this. Now look at the Honor Magic V6. It's incredibly thin. Honor calls it a folding grand slam, but there's one big question. Does going this thin and light mean sacrificing performance or battery life? I've used Honor foldables for years, and I've been heavily using the Magic V6 since the Spring Festival, including a trip to Spain. So today, I'm sharing my real-world experience.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
I have two Magic V6 units, red and Snow White, and both look fantastic. Compared with the previous generation, it's thinner and lighter. The Snow White version is just 4 mm unfolded and 8.74 mm folded, weighing around 219 grams, almost the same weight as an iPhone 17 Pro. In hand, it feels shockingly light, almost like cardboard, and you barely notice it in your pocket. The build quality is premium too. The red model uses Yangma eco-friendly leather with a soft, velvety finish. It resists fingerprints and sweat, while the look changes beautifully with the light. The camera module is also smaller than before, and Honor adds a gold star trail pattern for a more luxurious appearance. The outer screen is now a perfectly symmetrical flat display, with bezels reduced by 1.18 mm. The result looks much cleaner. Inside, reinforced UTG glass combines with Honor's extreme aero crease technology. The crease is extremely hard to notice and feels smooth under your finger. Even the hinge cover gets premium treatment with a detailed 3D gold-engraved grid. This is why I keep saying visible creases are no longer a major concern on modern foldables. For Honor, that's already expected. The real story is the hinge. At the international launch, Honor showed the Magic V6 supporting a person's weight and even being used like a zipline. That durability comes from its new Luban Dungao steel hinge, developed in Paris. Using aerospace-grade steel with up to 2,800 MPa tensile strength, it's rated for 100,000 folds. Even at around 50 folds a day, that could mean roughly 5 to 6 years of use. From my experience, the hinge feels much stronger than before. It holds almost any angle and opens completely flat. Now, the displays are another huge highlight. Both screens use a black to white transition panel, while the outer display adds a symmetrical flat design and ADR technology. The image quality is incredibly sharp. Even compared with many flagship phones, the Magic V6 delivers impressive clarity. When watching movies, it intelligently expands dynamic range, making standard HD content look surprisingly good. Against other 1080p foldables, it offers better dynamic range, richer colors, sharper details, and a more immersive experience. Brightness is also well balanced between the two screens. The outer display reaches 812 nits manually and 1811 nits automatically. That's plenty for everyday use, even under strong sunlight. Reflectivity is just 1.5%, which significantly reduces glare and makes the screen more comfortable in difficult lighting. Another smart upgrade is the outer display's embedded AR film, replacing a traditional hydrogel protector. Honor uses a silicone nitride manufacturing process for higher hardness, better scratch resistance, and improved durability compared to Apple's AR coating technology. After about a month, my outer screen still has 0 scratches. Overall, the touch response and display quality are among the best I've experienced on a foldable. Now, let's talk performance. The Magic V6 is the first and perhaps only 2026 foldable using the full-powered 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. We played PUBG Mobile continuously for 30 minutes. Controls stayed fast and responsive, while the camera area became only slightly warm. And here's something interesting. The large inner display gives FPS games like PUBG a wider field of view than normal phones. That means enemies are easier to spot and aim at, almost giving you a built-in competitive advantage. For such a large foldable, performance is seriously impressive. We also tested heavy multitasking with gaming, video playback, and a WeChat voice call. Everything stayed smooth, with no noticeable lag or interruptions. Split screen isn't new, but Honor makes it feel especially seamless. For productivity and entertainment, it handles everyday tasks with ease. Now we reach one of Honor's biggest strengths, battery life. Despite making the phone thinner and lighter, the 1 terabyte model packs the industry's first 7,150 mAh Qinghai Lake Blade battery. That's a new capacity record for foldables, and even larger than many flagship bar phones. So how did Honor achieve this? The company upgraded the entire battery system, optimizing the anode, cathode, electrolyte, and even developing a new high-performance adhesive. This adhesive improves stability and ion movement, with performance claimed to be 5 times better than the previous generation. The result is 32% silicone in a battery just 0.15 millimeters thick, yet it still delivers a massive 7,150 mAh. And the real-world results are impressive. After 5 hours of heavy usage, the Magic V6 still had 44% battery remaining. Models below 512 gigabytes use a 6,850 mAh battery with 5th-generation silicone technology and 25% silicone. Even that capacity is something very few smartphones can match.
Even after 5 hours of heavy use, the phone still had 35% battery left. During my Spain trip, I was constantly posting, taking photos and videos, and using navigation from morning to night, yet I only had to charge it once after returning to the hotel. Charging is impressive too. The Magic V6 supports 80-watt wired charging and comes with a 120-watt charger. It also supports fast charging protocols from Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, and more. In our tests, the 6,850 mAh version reached 100% on-screen charge in just 57 minutes when unfolded. Including trickle charging, it took 109 minutes. The 7,150 mAh version was even slightly faster, 59 minutes for the main charge and 106 minutes for the complete cycle. At this point, Honor has basically broken the traditional battery limitation of large foldables. Whether you look at the specs or real-world use, this is one of the strongest foldable batteries available. You no longer have to sacrifice battery life just because you want a foldable. And Honor's battery technology has produced some fascinating results. One creator turned a broken Magic V6 into an ultra-thin Air concept phone. Another replaced the battery inside Samsung's Tri-Fold with Honor's Qinghai Lake battery, pushing capacity to an incredible 9,600 mAh, around 1.7 times more than before. It shows how advanced Honor's Qingbao and Qinghai Lake battery technology has become. If Honor eventually launches its own Tri-Fold, this battery technology could be a major advantage. The rest of the hardware is just as impressive. You get 66W wireless charging, Beidou satellite communication, full NFC, and IP68/IP69 dust and water resistance. It's also currently the only foldable certified for water resistance up to 4 meters. At the NWC exhibition, Honor even demonstrated the phone underwater. Still, I wouldn't recommend keeping it submerged for long. Now, the cameras surprised me too. There's a 20-megapixel selfie camera, plus a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 64-megapixel 3x periscope telephoto. In daylight, the results are consistently reliable. Architectural shots show excellent textures, while landscapes capture detailed surfaces and patterns. Colors are vibrant but natural, staying close to what you actually see. Even under warm indoor lighting, highlights remain well controlled. The telephoto and macro cameras also preserve plenty of detail. Food shots look especially good with rich, appetizing colors, while video remains clear even with small movements. Portrait mode slightly brightens skin and adds a soft pink tone.
I took plenty of portraits in Spain, and the results strike a nice balance between realism and beauty enhancement. Skin looks cleaner and brighter, but details like pimples and facial hair remain visible. Even rugged faces can look noticeably younger. Honor also adds a clever feature called External Screen Inspiration Assisted Shooting. It recognizes the scene and suggests pose references, making it much easier when someone else is taking your photo. There's also AI color tracking. After recording a video, simply import your favorite filter into the editor, and the phone automatically adjusts lighting and color grading. The cinematic filter is especially useful for beginners who want professional-looking results with almost no effort. Finally, let's talk about software, because this can make or break a foldable. Personally, I think Honor has a real advantage here. Magic Oasis gets a major interaction upgrade focused on productivity. Beyond intelligent suggestions, it can now perform tasks from a single spoken sentence. It also works as an AI meeting assistant, recording conversations, creating real-time summaries, and organizing discussion points automatically. It can even combine local knowledge with online AI models to answer questions based on the meeting conversation. Privacy has also been upgraded. A new capsule-style privacy alert detects when someone is looking at your screen and instantly blurs sensitive content. I tested it myself, and the response is incredibly fast. In my opinion, this is better than Samsung's privacy display because it protects your information without lowering brightness or hurting image quality. Connectivity is another area where Honor goes further. It supports cross-brand file sharing, and Apple integration has become much easier. With a tap, you can connect to Apple devices, share notifications, and transfer files between an iPhone and Mac. Honor users can even log into iCloud and directly access or download documents uploaded from an iPhone. For Apple users considering Android, this could be a huge advantage. However, the feature is still awaiting approval. At the NWC exhibition, media members even demonstrated instant photo transfers of the King of Spain between different phones. It was a simple demo, but it showed how practical this feature could be. After spending plenty of time with the Magic V6, my overall impression is clear. Honor achieved something extremely difficult, making a large foldable without sacrificing one feature for another. Despite its ultra-thin and lightweight body, it delivers flagship performance, huge battery life, capable cameras, advanced AI, and premium extras. It truly feels like a fully equipped large-screen foldable. If you want the best possible large foldable experience and have very high expectations, the Magic V6 could easily be one of your top choices right now. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!